Namaskar, hello, welcome to my channel as I demonstrate today a pink makeup look that specifically suits Indian skin. I'm obsessed with the natural tan of our skin tone and love to keep it in focus, so my preference is to always add brown undertones to the pink shades. I'll be using products I own and they are all from Charlotte Tilbury, in fact loads from her Pillow Talk collection. But I'm also going to mention in the video products from other brands offering similar shades and which are available in India. First, I moisturize my face with Charlotte's Magic Cream. Then, as a primer, I use Hollywood Flawless Filter in shade 4 medium. This adds a luminous glow to the skin which looks lovely in cooler seasons. And I wear this with a moist beauty blender. I use the same beauty blender again for the foundation, which is the Magic Foundation in 8 medium. I run leftover foundation on eyelids too to create an even base and prepare my canvas. Since I've been majorly sleep deprived past few days, I need color corrector in shade 3 tan on my under eyes as well as on the pigmented areas at corners of mouth and nose and blend them with fingers. This will be topped with Magic Away Concealer in shade 7.5 medium, and I once again will be using the moist beauty blender to blend it. Next up are my eyebrows, which are thin and sparse in the best of times. So I first fill the gaps with Brow Lift in Supermodel, followed by the gel formula Legendary Brows in Perfect Brow. Before I move to eyeshadows, I will roughly line the upper lash line with Rock and Coal Eye Pencil in Barbarella Brown. And before it can set, I smudge and spread it all over the lid with an eyeshadow brush. This will be the brown base on which the pink shades will sit. Next, I'll take the luxury eyeshadow palette in Pillow Talk and first use the sparkly champagne pink prime shade all across the lids from the brow bone to upper lash line and wear it with a blender brush. Then the matte Dusky Rose Enhance shade will go all across the crease line as well as the outer V, making sure it blends well. While blending eyeshadows, I purposefully stretch the colors from the outer corner to wing them. Finally, the soft matte brown smoke shade will run on the outer half of the crease and also layer the outer V. I'll be using the typical windscreen wiper motion for the blending bit. I now take the smudge brush and use the champagne pink shade to wash the inner corners and brow bone and also line the lower lash line. The Dusky Rose is next used on lower lash line, followed by the soft brown. In the next step, I will tight line the upper lash line only with the brown eye pencil to add some more depth to my eyes. And of course, to complete the eye makeup, I will use Charlotte's Pillow Talk mascara, which undoubtedly lives up to its expectations. This does make my lashes appear much longer and thicker and instantly brightens up the eyes. Moving on, I use the Filmstar Bronze and Glow in medium to dark shade with a tapered powder and sculpt brush. First, to contour hollows of cheeks, jawline, sides of nose and temples with the darker sculpt shade, and then highlight high points of the face with the lighter one. For the cheeks, I use Cheek to Chic in Pillow Talk Original with a blush brush. To finish, I apply Airbrush Flawless Finish powder into medium, buffing the entire face with a powder brush. Then I line my lips with the berry pink color Pillow Talk Medium Lip Cheat Lip Liner and wear the same shade of lipstick. As my skin now is under the wintry spell, I'll finish off the makeup with Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, which adds a subtle glow to the face. Keeping with the pink with brown undertone theme, I paint my nails with Essie's Quick Drying Formula in the Dusty Rose shade, Second Hand, First Love. And with that, I sign off for today. Hope to see you again. Bye.